Hey guys, it is Andrea and today I am coming at you with the new releases for this week. This week we do have a wiggle, which I'm really excited about. I'm just going to jump right into the releases. So this week's wiggle is the last non-clear paper wiggle for a while. So this is the white paper, the white glossy paper with Holo. So make sure you guys see the icons. Actually, is that the best? I guess this would probably be the best way to see it. So this is the Holo. It's our normal Holo color with the white paper, which you guys have been really loving these. I am bringing tons of these home to use just because I feel like they're really great neutrals to use with the Holo, and I am psyched about it. Super pretty. So that'll be available Wednesday at noon Eastern as per always. Then we do have some releases for this Friday, which I'm really excited about as well. So we have some Holo items and a washi, but let me actually show you guys those first. So the first item here is a washi. So let me go ahead and show you guys this. This is a double bow washi, and this does have both mine and Marg's bow on it. Let me zoom you guys in. So it is a really pretty peachy color, I guess that's what you would call it. A peachy color with both mine and Marg's bow on it with the champagne gold foil. So beautiful. I love mine and Marg's bow together, and that is what it looks like. So we have one of those, and that is sold a la carte by itself. Then we also have some foil releases for this weekend. This is the last of the all Holo foil, and then next weekend we have something different, and then we'll be going back to having 3 designs in different foil colors, in the 4 different foil colors or 3 different foil colors depending. So this here is the star bottom washi. This is currently in the shop in all 3 foils, but we're adding it in Holo. Same with the rest of these. So this is the twinkle mini deco. We have the star mini deco. And then we have both the twinkle, the header overlays, as well as the full box overlays. These are one of our most popular selling overlays. And then we also have the stars, which again is this probably the 3rd most popular after chunky and the twinkle. So that's the full box, and then the header overlays. And then I also have, these are on the white paper, but we have these in the shop in gold and silver as well, and these are just these solid headers. So these are in Holo. So those are all of the Holo releases for this week. And then let's go into the kits. So I do have some mini kit exclusives here. These are both summer related. I've been loving doing mini kit exclusives every format. I think that you guys like them as well based on sales. So this is the full boxes page. This is Palm Springs, which did come out last year. I believe I changed up some of the full boxes, but not all of them. I made it more beachy. Oh yeah. I think that there was marble behind here before, and then this was a marble pool deck, but instead I did sand in the background, and then did sand kind of fading out to water as if it's a beach scene versus a pool scene. I think that's really cute, and I love these colors. This was one of our best selling summer kits last year. So this is a mini kit exclusive, like I said, and this bottom washi is so pretty. And you also have your little freebie in the back there. Let me go ahead and show you guys the add-on options. So you have the option if you want to add on the, sorry about my nails by the way too, I didn't get to paint them. It's been a long weekend. This is the bottom washi option. You have the option if you want to add on the label sampler, and then you also have the option if you want to add on the glitter sampler as well. So that is the Palm Springs kit, which is super cute. Like I said, one of our best selling kits. I think that one actually came out pretty early summer last year, I believe. So that's Palm Springs. Then we also have another mini kit exclusive, which was another one. I think this one came out more proper summertime. And this is another mini kit exclusive, and this one is called Pool Babe, which was probably our 2nd best-selling summer kit last year. So this has marble backgrounds. This one's way more of a pool feeling. So when I was reformatting these, I was oh, let's if this one's more pool related, I think the other one should be more beachy related. So this one's super pretty, and I love the colors in this one as well. Very unique color schemes, but they were just really just work together. And I love the bottom washi, just is very simple, kind of wavy, beachy vibes. And then this is the 15mm option if you want to add that on. There's also the label sampler if you want to add that on, and then there is also the glitter sampler if you want to add that on. So that is the Pool Babe kit right there. So that is the mini kit exclusive, and again, we're doing those for kind of reformats unless we change it a lot. We have an ultimate kit exclusive here, and this is an ultimate kit exclusive because it is the SPC party kit. So if you are going to the Scribble Prince Co. planner party and you purchase a ticket already, the tickets are sold out. You already probably have received this in the mail. So this is kind of like Gatsby 20s type themed, and that's kind of the theme that I'm going for. It was mostly based on the hotel decor, which are having at the Van Zant in Austin. So I love the colors of this. You can kind of see the colors better here. So there's a champagne gold faux glitter throughout, and then you have the three colors being a navy, a teal, a nude, and then a really pretty dusty pink. I love everything about this collection. I just think it all works together. You have your little freebie here, but I'm going to be using this for the party. I know a lot of people are going to be using this for New Year's Eve. After everybody saw this kit, I did do an extra little add-on if you guys want to purchase that. If you have this kit and want to buy it, or if you are purchasing it and you think that maybe it would be a good New Year's option for this year, I have an add-on box if you want to buy that. I totally didn't even think about that as being an option until you guys mentioned it after you saw it. So a lot of people said because we're going into 2020, it would be cool because it's kind of like 20s themed, which I think is like, I didn't think of that. Like I'm not that smart. So this is the add-on for the bottom washi. If you're going to the party, you already have this. If you're going to the party, you also have the fashion girls, but you can pick those up at la carte. And then you also have the glitter sampler if you want to pick that up. I probably will also offer the label sampler like I have been for the past couple of weeks. If I don't have it, I will put it up. But we just didn't have that layout whenever I had produced these and shipped them out. But these will be all available at la carte. And if you're going to the party, you already probably got all of that. So these are the full boxes. And like I said, a lot of people after I sent it out said it'd be a really great New Year's Eve kit for this year. So I did have 2020 done custom. This is custom art. You won't find it anywhere else. So you have the little double box here, which could totally replace this box, or you can stretch it. And then you have a Happy New Year little blower thing. And then you have a little sparkler. So you could totally switch out some boxes, especially with having like so many box options. I feel like you could definitely make this go a couple of weeks, especially at the bottom wash if you're splitting that in half. So these are all a la carte options, and like I said, I will have the label sampler a la carte as well. But I love this kit. I love the art. I just think it's so like unique and fresh, and the colors are really pretty, and I definitely get the feel of wanting to use it for New Year's Eve, because we also do have a lot of like party event type kits or like planner kits in the shop that people want to use for that week. So definitely an option, and I'm glad a lot of people really liked this kit and found either they wanted to use it for the party or use it for something else. So that is the SPC Party 2019 kit. And then this kit here, I don't know, oh no, the glitter sampler's in here. Let me grab it out. This kit is also exclusive art. I've been trying to do a lot of exclusive art kits because it's just fun to be able to kind of like pick a theme, and then Jessica, like I said, will do the mood board for it and send that off to an artist, and I get to kind of like pick the artist that I want to do it based on like what style I want it to look like, and it's just like a fun thing to do. So I actually had planned to do this a while ago, and it's been kind of done for a while, but a lot of people put out Target kits, and I was like, oh, I better wait a little bit. So I did a Target kit. This one I wanted to do kind of like pink, just to kind of I know Target's red, but I thought pink kind of was like a little bit more trendy with like the marble background. So you have the two girls up here kind of shopping at Target. This one already finished, and this one, it could be a receipt or it could be like a shopping list, but I love like the dollar spot, and you got like the little Starbucks over here, and then like the aisles where you're checking out, you got some dollar spot items, the carts, like little drinks, things like that. I just love it. I think it's cute. I know a lot of, well, not a lot of people, but I know Emily said that this would be great for back to school shopping, which I think totally works. So love these colors. I think it's super trendy, super cute. Definitely an anytime kit for sure. Like I said, this was done a long time ago, so it does have the icons. You have the little like Target dog here and the pink, which I think is fun. It doesn't even have the little like, it doesn't have the, what are they called? The little extra glitter on the flags are here, just because like I said, this has been done for quite a while. You have a ton of deco over here. I made it really small because I felt like this, like I said, in some kits that you could totally use the deco as like icons functionally later. And then you have a pretty simple bottom washi, abstract, and then you can use this here, which is the bottom washi. If you want to add that on. There's also the option for the glitter sampler. Like I said, this was done a while ago, so it is in the old format. And then there's also the mini kit option, which I showed you 2 mini kits. It's the same format. So that is I called it my happy place because Target is kind of my happy place. I remember whenever I had Bennett, I felt like I was a little sad and I would just need some me time, and I just would go to Target for like just, you know, like 45 minutes and just walk around, and it was my happy place. Kind of like it just like distracts me because I could look at everything. You're in an air conditioner place, so you don't feel like you're like dying being outside in the heat or anything. But Target is kind of my happy place, so I thought it'd be fun to do a kit based on Target, and then kind of being pink is a little bit more trendy and kind of like, you know, we love us some pink. So that is the My Happy Place kit. Again, this art as well as the SPC Party kit are exclusive art, so you will not find those anywhere else. We do have unlimited stock on all stickers produced in the shop for the weekend only, so on Sunday that expires. These are mini kit exclusives, so you also do have Pool Babe, which came out last year, and Palm Springs. We do have, those are my leggings, but we do have the Washi release as well, which is super, super beautiful. And then again on Wednesday we have the Holo wiggle, the last glossy wiggle for a little bit. And then we also have a bunch of Holo foil releases. So that's everything for this week. I hope you guys like this week's new releases. I mentioned on Instagram that this has been a really busy month for me with my birthday, shop anniversary. I've been traveling every single weekend for the past 3 weeks. So I'm really hoping May is going to be my month where I regroup and focus on getting back to my regular filming schedule. Obviously, we haven't missed any new releases or anything like that, but I feel a little bit of a disconnect just because I haven't been doing my Monday, Wednesday, Friday video and been up to date on my postings on social media and things like that. So May, I don't have a lot of travel planned besides this weekend, which when you're watching this, I'll be gearing up to leave for Vegas, and I'll be in Vegas this weekend. And May, the only thing that I have planned is to move the shop, which is a big thing, but it'll be easy for me at least. So that is everything for this week. I hope you guys like this week's new releases. I have some bomb releases planned for the rest of the year. I actually went through and planned out the rest of the year as far as things like events I want to do, and I have a lot of art planned, lots of mood boards ready, lots of mood board ideas ready. Like, we're all geared up. This is going to be a fabulous year. 5 years. We're going on our 6th year then, right? Which is crazy, and I thank you guys so much. Thank you for all of the wishes on the 5-year, which is just crazy to me that it's been 5 years. And if you're new, if you're old here, if you've been here a while, like, I love you, and I will talk to you guys later.